Hi guys, I'm JD over here at Guarantee RV. We are here with the Coachmen Freedom Express 19 RKS, and it's the brand new 2018 model. And what we have is the power tongue jack here. We got the 2 propane tanks, so you will never run out. And then you got this amazing cab with the LED lights. And then you do have a diamond plating bottom skid plate, which is always useful. And then underneath here you have a huge storage space, one of the biggest that you will find. And then coming on over here, we're going to take a look on the inside before we do anything. So the nice thing is you do have a nice sturdy handle to help yourself up into. And we're going to start at the kitchen since it's right here. You got a nice cutting board, a big counter space to basically do anything you would like, and you have a 2-burner stovetop. Now another nice thing is you have a farm style sink, so you can put plenty of beer and ice in there. And then you have some big, decent size freezers, a nice fridge. Now to the front of the trailer, we have a nice sofa that does fold into a bed. And then you have a nice cute little fireplace, so if you don't have one outside, you got one inside. You have some cool little storage, nice storage up top, and you have a decent sized bed. And above that you do have a pivot joint TV, so you can move that anywhere you'd like. So you do have a nice sized bathroom, as you will see. You have some storage space underneath, and you do have some storage space up top as well. And now on our way outside, you do have all of your buttons here for your lights, your water pumps, your heater as well. And once we get outside, you do have a nice awning, which is going to keep you nice and dry, and or if it's super sunny, you're not going to get sunburned all day. And then walking around it, you do have a nice little back bumper. Alright guys, now to the side of the RV, you have your TV cable, your satellite hookups, and your shower, so if the dog gets filthy, you can wash them off and throw them right back inside. Now it is a single axle RV, so that means you can tow it with basically any truck or SUV that you have, which is going to be really nice. And then once back over here, you're at the crawl through space, which you have really, like I said, plenty of space for storage. You can do anything with it. And then once again guys, I'm JD. If you have any questions, any concerns, just give me a call at 541-954-4683. Thank you guys so much.